My name is Joseph Curry. I've been with Central Oregon Truck for about 3 weeks now. I'm loving every minute of it. I came from another company, another flatbed company. Wasn't getting the miles, wasn't really able to get me home as much as I'd like to. If you're a runner, if you want the miles, if you want good home time, they will work around your clock. I came from an old company that I was maybe breaking 10,000 if I was lucky a month, but I've already put 10,000 miles on this truck in about 3 weeks, and that's with my 34s included too. So if you're a runner, if you want miles, Central Oregon's the place to be, seriously.